Allison here, and in today's video we are going to learn how to format text. And being able to format text can really help things jump out on the page and grab attention. So let's get started. We have a contact here, and it's Craig Ferguson. He's a geological engineer at Nullman, and there are some notes here that are completely unformatted and very typical of what you might see. But we want to draw some attention to some key points. The environmental assessment projects is what Craig is in charge of, so I've selected that. And now we're going to go to the Format menu and choose Text Color and choose a nice orange color for it. I'm also going to go back to the Format menu and choose Style and choose Bold. Excellent. Now we've got some nice attention-grabbing color and bold there, so it jumps out. And the other important piece of information is that it is the Clean Bay initiative. So this time I'm going to use the shortcut by right-clicking on it, and I have all the formatting features available to me right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select text color and choose a blue. And I'm going to right-click again and style it as bold. And then the timing is important, so we're going to select end of the year and right-click. And this time we're going to choose bold, and then we're going to right-click again and choose that dark orange. And a colleague of Brian's, who's the sales rep, Karen, she worked on a project last year that was similar. So he wants to sort of draw attention to that. He'll make it a blue, or we'll make it a blue, and then style it as bold. And then she's got some case notes at this link, so let's give that a little pop of color. There we go. And, oh, yep, we need to schedule a meeting with Karen to see how the case went, so we'll give that a little pop of color and bump it up with some bold. Excellent. Now we've got some nice things going on here in terms of like highlighting the important bits and helping the eye out, saving time, helping us focus, which is really important these days. And this last bit of text is a series of tag words, and we could almost make a little word cloud out of it. So I know that in all of these, safe drinking water is an important project for the company that Brian works for, because they actually sponsor a nonprofit that specializes in safe drinking water. So if he can get a partnership going with this client of theirs, that would be awesome. So we're going to just bump that up so it stands out to 18. And we're even going to bold that also. So now that's excellent. And sort of keeping with the word cloud thing, we're going to just make that a little bit bigger because the environment is important. Air quality is another big one, so we will bold that and bump it up in size a little bit. And recycling is another one that's important. Let's get that word. And same thing, we'll bold it and we'll bump it up in size a little bit. And you can see, oh, we'll do one more here, the assessment. That's important. Style. And because they seem to be getting a lot more projects like that. So, and let's give that a bump. Super. So in a small amount of time, you can right-click on text and just spice it up a bit so that you can find information quickly and make it a little more meaningful and useful as you go about your day. So I hope you found this information useful. If you did, if you could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.